Kuwait, which is the 28th country to sign a contract for Bayraktar TB2 UAV, announced that the G2G, Government-to-Government, contract worth $367 million, covering Bayraktar TB2 UAV and ammunition, has been approved. The United States and China were also involved in the tender won by Bayraktar TB2. Bayraktar TB2 UAV had a great success in its demo flight in Kuwait in July 2019. By flying for 27 hours and 3 minutes uninterruptedly in difficult geographical and climatic conditions such as high temperatures and sandstorms, he broke the record for staying in the air that belonged to him at that time. Kosovo received Bayraktar TB2 UAV. 5 of the Bayraktar TB2 UAVs ordered by Kosovo 7 months ago were delivered to Kosovo. After Russia's invasion of Ukraine, many countries started to work on armament. In order to solve the increasing security problems in Kosovo, it was understood through the visits that he was interested in Bayraktar TB2s produced by Baker throughout the process. New Bayraktar TB2 UAV delivery to Mali. The Turkish embassy in Bamako announced that a delivery ceremony was held for Bayraktar TB2 UAVs exported to Mali. Bayraktar TB2 UAV was delivered to Mali before. The delivered UAVs were photographed during the visit of Defense Minister Colonel Sadio Kamara to Mopti Air Base in Mali on Wednesday, December 21, 2022. Expanding its Air Force inventory, Mali received 5 L-39 Albatross trainer jet aircraft, 2 Mi-8 utility helicopters and Su-25 attack aircraft in January 2023.